Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist doing a follow-up video today. So I'm over here at McKinley Street and 21st Avenue in Hollywood, Florida. I filmed this spur a couple years ago and I'm doing a follow-up video on it today. So anybody driving by might see like, wow, there's a railroad crossing, a crossbuck over here. Old school one that even has a dot tag on it, but no emergency contact info, and they might be like, wow, there's a train track here. But much to their dismay, there isn't one, because sadly this is all that's left of it. Right now I'm facing south and I'm going to include a Google Maps link to this location. So here we have a gas pipeline, and this would have been facing north, where it crossed at Taft Street and joined the main right there to your left or west, and then here we're facing south again. This spur used to go to a some people have told me it was a newspaper / printing place, and towards the end they used to receive rolls of paper to print dirty magazines or promos or something to that effect. So I'm gonna see if I can find a date on the rails, but it doesn't look like that's happening because this is really corroded, as you can see. If you go on historicaerials.com, I'm sure we can find some reference point as to when it was put in and when the crossing was removed over at Taft. As for now, I am not seeing a date on these rails. And then that right there is the FEC main. You can see bright lines and all sorts of road trains on that. Although lately I've heard they've been getting cut because of the COVID-19 crisis. And then here, I'll give you another northbound look. Must have been quite a sight to see this operation in progress. You can have lunch out here as they spot cars. Nice. Sign me up. And then here, this little mound looks like it's been here for a while because it already has grass growing on it. Here the rails are covered. Must have been a popular sight to see. Everybody gathered around at lunch to witness this operation in progress. Cross ties are all covered here. No date on the rails. What is this world coming to, right? And then here you can see the ties are really exposed. Yeah, it's rotted beyond recognition there. Tie plates are falling apart. Stops, and this is the end of the spur. I don't know if in its heyday it kept going north. We'll look at historic aerials and make that determination. If you guys ever saw a train here, I'd love to know when was the last time it was serviced. Please leave me a comment below. Also, let me know what you thought of this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out my videos every Sunday morning. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.